So, um, sorry for not posting for like a really long time. I just have not been on YouTube in a really long time, and I have been playing Roblox. But I'm also sorry for like the background noise. My air conditioning is like super loud. But okay, we're gonna be oh my god, no, oh my gosh, a house tour. And I'm also going to be building more stuff into my house, because it's like kind of like, my house is like really really small and I don't like it. I don't like how small it is. I want to make it like bigger. Okay, so I'm going to give you a house tour. So here's the front, like whenever you walk in the living room, and the fireplace and stuff. We have this random thing. It took me forever to put, because like there's like so much space here, it just wouldn't let me put it back there. And then we have the bathroom. It was the most randomest shower I picked. And then we have my bedroom. So you go in like this. And then we have Benjamin Wadsworth, because Benjamin Wadsworth, just because. And then we have that. And then we have the kids' room. You can walk out from here. And then there's the kitchen. My house is super super small and I don't like it. So I'm gonna go to work, and because I'm like a really oh yeah, I'm in a really like high level, like not really that high, but like, you know, like a decent amount high. Oh my gosh. In the level, what's in the janitor's job? So, oh my god, my voice is like so annoying. What do I do? Customize character. I have so many outfits. I want to wear this. Wait, no. Wait, how though? I don't remember which one it was. Oh, wait. Wait. Whatever, I don't care. Okay. So, go to work. And, yeah. My bracelets are literally making so much noise. And of course, taking 10 million years to load. Okay, so I'm gonna, do the, oh my gosh. I hate whenever someone else is already doing the job, because like it pisses me off. And I'm like, wait. Then that means I'm not the only one doing the job. Obviously, I'm not the only one doing the job. But then it makes me mad, because I'm like, they're cleaning up all this stuff. And then I have nothing to do. But, yeah. Anyways. Ciao. Anyways. Oh, wait, what? No, it goes, ciao. Anyways, so, my voice is pissing me off. I hate it. I hate it. I sound like a freaking man, and I don't like it. Oh, you see? Anytime oh my god, I hate that. It makes me so mad. But I'm not gonna clean like a lot of stuff. Just like after this. Okay. So, I'm gonna go to my house. It's gonna take probably 10 million years too. But it's fine. I'm gonna add more stuff to the children's room. I'm gonna add a bunk bed if I have enough money. And then I'm gonna yeah, either the bunk bed or just like a regular bed. I don't know. It's so hard to play on mobile, whatever, because like I cannot play on it. I'm so used to playing, because I don't play Roblox on my phone. I play Roblox. I don't even have an iPad, so I can't play Roblox on my iPad. I play Roblox on my computer. But okay. Oh, I forgot the wall doesn't have any decorations because I just added, not decorations. Sorry. Like the thing. Okay. Yeah, that's so much money. I'm not getting that bunk bed. Just get this for the rat. Just that'd be funny though. Nah, bro. I don't want to be like a bat. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. This bed is humongous. Oh my god. It's fine. I'll just get this bed. Wait, but like, how do I put it though? And how do I wanna hold on. Oh my gosh, this is making me so mad. Okay. It'll take like 10 years. Holy cow. Okay, I'm now trying to change the color of the bed because that's like a really ugly color. Everything white, white, white. Wait. I don't want to make like. Wait. What color is this? Okay, the bed is gonna be black. Yes. And then this, I'm gonna do the same thing. White, 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 this, black. That does not look good, but I don't care. The walls, I don't like the color of the walls, but I just picked it because it's like, I don't know, like fun or something. But I'm gonna change like I'm gonna add like more lights to it. Cause it's like pitch black in there. And I don't like how dark it is. So, this is like so ugly. I do not like this, but trust the process. Trust the process. Oh god. Okay. Now I'm gonna add what else should I add? Where's the thingy? Okay. Search up FR, and then I want to get this. And I don't know what I'm gonna put though. Okay. I can put like a mirror on the wall, but mirror on the wall. Who's the baddest of them all? Should I do it? I don't. Oh, it'd be good if it'd be nice if I'd put it in this room. Oh my god. Oh wait, no, I don't have anywhere to put it. Oh god. But if I had space to put it, I would. Like right there. Oh my gosh. See, I would have put it there, but it doesn't fit. And it took me so long to like put this white door through. I want to redo my room so bad. Like, I don't like this. Like, I'm only gonna keep the picture of Benjamin Wadsworth, and the rest garbage, 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 garbage. Because I don't like it. I don't want this door here. I don't like it. Okay. Benjamin Wadsworth. Mwah. Okay. This is so hard building on your phone. I hate it. Okay. So, what should I? Okay, the bed is what I'm gonna do first. So, I want this bed. Wait, what? Girl. Okay. There's like no space to walk or whatever. It's fine. It doesn't matter. I really don't care. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna put the bed right here. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Now I'm gonna put carpets. I'm gonna get a carpet. Put that right there. I'm gonna change the color to black. Actually, no, that is so ugly. No. Yeah, okay. And then I'm gonna change, hold on. Okay, change the color of the bed, the brick yellow color to seashell. No. Fog. Yes, I love it. Fog. Beautiful. Okay, next up, I'm going to put the lights. Wait, what the heck? What just happened? Okay. I want to put like this light. Or like right here. No, I want to put right here. Okay. That's not even. Okay. It's not even. Okay. I don't care at this point. I really don't care. Okie dokie. Ooh, that would be so sick if I put like. Oh my god, I need to play on my computer for this. To put it there. It is not moving my screen the way I want it to. Okay, what I want to do is. What is this? Oh. What do people use with that? I don't know. I'm sorry, I am not a pro builder. I don't know anything. I don't even know if my mic is even working because the right side of my headphones don't even work. So, if I'm not able to be heard, this is a whole big flop. But I don't know, I probably will be, but anywho, I want to do, where's the storage? I'm just gonna get this because I don't want to spend too much money because of what I'm gonna do. Or like a dark color. Yes, and then I'm gonna make this like. That's gonna look so ugly, but I don't care. Ew. Oh, that's nasty. Okay, I don't care. My voice is pissing me off. Electronics, electronics, electronics. Electronics. Oof. I'm putting it like that because my bed is that way. Yes. And I don't even have a door. I need to go work for a door. But it's sick and it's so cool of how much stuff you can do with only $900, you know? It's nice. But, I'm gonna do a giveaway for $1,000 on Bloxburg because I have nothing else to do and I'm super bored. So I'm gonna do the giveaway. all you guys need to do to enter the giveaway, just comment your username, add me, or I'll add you. Depends. If I like your comment, I'll add you. If I reply to your comment telling you to add me back, for you to add me, then add me. And then you join my game, and you'll receive the $1,000. Depending on how many comments I'll get, probably not going to be a lot, but if I do get a lot, like more than 5, because I usually get like 3 comments, sadly. Okay, this is enough money for a door. Wait, no. Okay, I'm just gonna go and I didn't even open the chat yet. Should I be like, say hi to YouTube? Nah, I don't care. I cracked my screen protector. So sad. And I got my new phone not even a month ago for my birthday. Okay. Oh, and also, guys, comment how old you think I turned. And I'm only gonna give you one hint, is that I'm in middle school. And that's it. Okay. The door I had last time. Okay, I can't even afford the door I had last time. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. I'll just put this big, humongous door right here. Nice. And now I'm gonna go. My voice is pissing me off. Now I'm gonna go. My voice is naturally like that, and it's so annoying. I sound like a freaking man. I try to prevent it, but it doesn't work. It's so annoying. So, boom. I have no lights. I just realized. Like actual lights. Oh my god, this is so cute. Wait, no, I like this. Benjamin, mwah. I'm gonna kiss that every time before I go to bed. Yeah, super cute. I should put like a window right here, so that way I can see like the kids' room or something. Because like I also like the way the room looks a little bit. Not that much though, not too much. But what is this? I'm so no, I don't like that. No, it's a big no for me. Okay. Boom. Wait, do I have to pay my bills? Can you pay bills? Can you pay my telephone bills? This video is probably so long, but yeah. It'd be so cool if I could just walk through, but I can't. I'd be like, whoop. Anyways, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe and comment once again to enter the giveaway. And also comment how old you think I am. Yeah. Goodbye.